Hello, my name is Alina Pătulea and I am working as a data analyst at btProvider. We are creating today an alternative to a Marimekko chart. This alternative can be useful for comparing both high-level data and low-level data in the same chart. In this case, we cannot use the classic chart due to having size variables for both the width and height of the bars, so we are going to apply an alternative. The first step is taking category and also region on the columns. We are going to have cells on the rows. Now we need to sort them descending. Now we need a level of detail calculation. So we are going to create a calculated field. We can name it category cells. And now we can create a fixed at category level, choosing sum of cells. This is going to return the total cells for each category. So we are going to drag it on the side of our chart to make it dual axis. Now we are going to synchronize the axis and bring cells to the front. On the second axis, we are going to make the size as big as possible and turn off the border. Now we can compare the region within each category and across the regions. So we can compare east to east and also east. To make sure it's easier to see the difference between the sections for the category cells, we need to format the borders. So we are going to make the column divider as big as possible. And now we can see the categories splitted better. This is how to create an alternative to a Marimekko chart. Thank you very much for the attention. We are going to see each other next week. Please have a great weekend.